This is Matt, North Hills Construction. Just getting started on this Casita edition here. Day one. Actually, the second day on the job. Did a little demo yesterday, taking out some block fences and whatnot, some paths and things. Got the footings all dug today behind me. Got the steel tied, ready for inspection for tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes fine and this project keeps on moving. This is day number one, little light demolition. Got the casita marked out, all the stones moved. Concrete finished this week. Got the underground plumbing done. This morning we moved the gas line over on the house. Hook up with the new meter. Getting inspections on that on Monday. Customer can get gas turned back on the house. Right here we have a curbless shower that we're putting in here. A little step down for that. And everything seems to be going pretty good. Met with the framing this morning. It should be up there in about a week. Get this thing going. Alright, bye. Framing started this morning. Got quite a bit done here. They tell me they don't have enough lumber to finish. It's a Saturday, maybe they want to go home. I would. This will come in together. There you go, this is the entrance into it. It's a very sunny day and it's hard to see what's going on here with the sun. So we've got an entrance, little covered entryway right here. There's going to be benches just either side of the doorway here. Coming in, it's going to be the little living room area. We have some storage cabinets down this wall, TV up on the wall, and a little window there on that side and on that side. Looking back over here to the backyard. And through there's a bathroom and shower. Going into the bedroom. There's two nice large windows in here. And then coming back this way, there's a small closet right here. And then coming down this way would be the vanity, 4-foot wide vanity right there. And moving along here, we got the toilet right there, a window above it, and then we have maybe a curbless shower there with a bench right there at that end. And a little window in there. So it's coming along nicely. I'll keep you just an update on this Casita addition I'm building. The roof has been dried in. Got the tile loaded up there. Got all the lath And foam on the house. Passed the roughing inspections this morning. Tomorrow we're going to be doing the insulation. All the electric's done. All the HVAC's been done. Plumbing. Fire sprinklers. Had to wait about 2 weeks for that inspection for the fire inspection for the sprinklers, unfortunately, which kind of threw my whole schedule off. It's Christmas time, so everybody's tried to get their inspections in before the holidays start, because they're probably all in the same situation I am. Got all the doors and trim in, all the sheetrock. It's going to be the living room. TV over here. Walking into the master bedroom. A couple of nice big windows in here. Got the front yard. And this is the bathroom. Got a pocket door in here. These double doors for a closet. It's a decent sized closet. Fine. Got the shower ready to go for waterproof test. Ran out of waterproofing on the walls here. Here's the bench, curbless shower. There's a very nice size shower. Vanity will go there. Air handler for the AC. And there you go. Alright, so it's been a year since I built this Casita Edition on this house off the side of the garage there. Just wanted to show you how it turned out. Haven't really got back here since they decorated it. Landscaping's come up real nice. Alright, so it's a backyard entrance to this guest house Casita. Nice planter there. Little sunbathing deck, I guess. We're doing a little paint touch up today. So we're off inside. Alright, so we got a little living room here. Some built-ins, TV. Going back through to a bedroom. They got it all decorated pretty nice in here. It's about 500 feet, this Casita. So very comfortable for guest house. We got a closet right through here. Pocket door off to the bathroom. Modern floating vanity here. Nice curbless shower. I think I'd like to stay here. Maybe if I didn't have so many kids, I could live here. Got a little bench in the shower there. Nice deco, vertical. Got a little penny round mosaic on the floor. I think it all turned out pretty nice.